Okay, here we are unboxing the Olight i5T EOS Copper Edition. This is a special edition just released by Olight, and it's almost identical to the original version, other than the finish. Here we have the packaging, again, almost the same as the original version, just with the Copper Edition print. This light comes in a sealed bag to protect that finish. It will begin to oxidize after it's exposed to the air. Think of it like a penny. The oxidation will make the coating turn from a shiny, brand new copper look to more of a worn look. Now, this change is gradual, so you won't notice it right away. Depending on the conditions of the environment, it could take even up to a year. If you like the shiny, brand new look of this light, you probably could maintain that through polishing techniques using compounds or chemicals to remove the oxidation layer. But personally, I would recommend letting the oxidation happen. That's part of the beauty of this light. Over time, it will change. Runtime, battery life, functions, power, beam distance, waterproofing, and size are all identical to the original version. One of the main differences with this light is the weight. This light weighs almost twice as much as the non-copper edition. This edition comes in at 3.7 ounces or 105 grams. The regular version comes in at 2.12 ounces or 60 grams. Both lights run on a AA, both lights come with a pocket clip. This one does come with the copper finished pocket clip to match the light.